Block out the world and dive into pure sound with the Soundcore Q30 noise-canceling headphones featuring powerful hybrid ANC and rich high-res audio. With long-lasting battery life and customizable sound, they deliver comfort and performance for every moment.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Soundcore Q30 noise-canceling headphone, USB-C charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable,
And user manual. How to wear.
Wear the headphones with the L logo on your left ear and the R logo on your right ear. Adjust the length of the headband should fit comfortably.
How to charge.
First, use an adapter and a USB-C cable. Simply plug the adapter into a power source and connect the USB-C cable to the port on the right ear cup. Once connected, you'll see the LED light turn on, indicating that the headphones are charging properly.
How to pair.
Download the Soundcore app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Use it to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. The Soundcore app helps you get the best experience and more control over your headphones. Go to your device settings and turn on Bluetooth. Then take your headphones, find the power button on the left side, and press and hold it for about 5 seconds until you hear a sound and see the LED flashing blue, indicating pairing mode. After that, refresh the available devices list on your phone, select Soundcore Life Q30, and tap Pair. Your device will be connected successfully. Turn on your headphones and hold the power button for about 5 seconds to activate pairing mode. Open the app, tap Add Device, select your Soundcore headphones from the list, and tap Pair. Once connected, finish the setup and your headphones are ready to use with the app.
Smart features.
Maintain your focus with Life Q30's hybrid active noise cancellation. Dual noise-detecting microphones pick up and filter out up to 95% of low-frequency ambient sound to ensure nothing distracts you from your music. Customize Life Q30's noise cancellation with 3 modes. Transport minimizes airplane engine noise, outdoor reduces traffic and wind, and indoor dampens the sound of busy offices with people talking in the background. Hear every detail of your favorite songs thanks to Life Q30's 40mm drivers. The highly flexible silk diaphragms reproduce thumping bass and crisp treble that extends up to 40 kHz for improved clarity. Life Q30 active noise-canceling headphones play up to 40 hours of music in noise-canceling mode. Standard mode extends the playtime to 60 hours, while a short 5-minute charge gives you 4 hours of listening. Life Q30 active noise-canceling headphones have ultra-soft protein leather ear cups with memory foam padding to fit snugly over your ears. The lightweight build also ensures they're comfortable for long listening sessions.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Soundcore Q30 noise-canceling headphones from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Soundcore Q30 noise-canceling headphones. See you at the next one.